Hello viewers, today we will learn about past tense and past tense types. As in the previous video we have learned about the present tense and the use of it. Now in the past tense also what we do, there are four types. One is simple past. In simple past we use second form of verb, like for the do it is the second form is did, and like for example come, the second form will be came. So similarly, we just use that is in the past. The second form shows that it has the verb has taken place in the past. But when there is no definite time, so it is past indefinite. So for example, I came yesterday. I came. For example, I ate fruits. I did something new. I tried a new recipe. That all shows that it is that the verb has taken place in the past, but the timing is not definite. So we use I ate, we ate, you ate, or you bought, he, she, it. That we also use the same. He bought something new. He bought a new phone. He sent me an email. So these are the past tense that we use. They rode the bicycle. That the V2 is only showing the simple past tense and there is no time. Now when it comes to past continuous tense, we use was and were as helping verb. In singular we use was and plural we use were. Except with you second person singular and plural, because we are talking to them second person, whether there is single person or plural person, we always use were. And also I'll be telling you some other corrections with if we use was or were. Now with that we use that helping verb was or were plus V1 plus ing, because with helping verb we will always use V1 plus ing. For example, I am using I was driving a car. They were teasing me. She was going somewhere. They were poking me. So these are showing was and were with plus V1 plus ing. And with you, there will always be you, were. For example, if I am saying, you were talking last night, you were going somewhere. Now, whether it is a singular or plural, we are always using were. Now, the next part is past perfect. Remember, in the present perfect, we use has and have. Like he, she, it, we use has, and rest, I, we, you, they, we use have. But here, we are using had throughout. Like I had completed, and again with the perfect tense there is V3. I had completed my task. She had gone somewhere. You had convinced him. They had rode a bicycle. So there is a perfect tense had. Has and have ka past tense. The past perfect is had with plus V3 we use. And past perfect continuous means that has started and still going on. So that we use you had been dealing the work, they had been doing this. So had is for everywhere, like there is no difference. She is differentiation, like with he, she, we will have to use has, and with I, we, you and they we will use have. No, here completely we will use had. And similarly with the past perfect continuous tense we are using had, like you had been doing, we had been completing the task. Throughout had is there, V1 plus ing is there, and perfect and continuous के बीच में been is there. This is all about your past tense. Simple past, there is no time limit. Past continuous, in the past it was still going. Past perfect, for example, like she had been doing it, they had been doing it, and with the past perfect is had, and past perfect continuous is had been doing. She had been riding a cycle. So this is like we are using had only throughout. And with the continuous, perfect continuous, we are using only had plus been plus V1 plus ing. Now this is all about the past tense and its four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So these are the four types for the past. So this is all for today, and we'll be discussing future. It's a little different somewhere, like simple past, simple future and future continuous. So there is a difference, and that is not that confusing. So we'll discuss it. Like and subscribe for more, and please comment your suggestions below. Bye bye. Take care.